Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. What I have for you guys today is just a little shot. Get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels so nice to be back. Okay, so first thing is first, before primer, I like to spray this on my face. You guys already know I found this at Dollar Tree. After my mist, I've been loving to use the Poreless Putty Primer. This is what it looks like. I had to go buy me a new one because I already used the other one. Just a great product. I love it. It does help with closing the pores. I'm going to be focusing this product on around the nose, especially is when I have large pores. I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, and this is the pomade that I've been using every single day non-stop, and this is just by the brand Chit. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, but this is what it looks like, and it is in the shade dark brown. I want to share with you guys where I've been. Lately I've been MIA. I guess I'm just feeling a little, I don't want to say stressed because I don't feel that way, but I haven't been feeling the holiday spirit, I guess. And I really thought I was gonna have so much videos for you guys, and I'm just being lacking. I also want to say where I've been. For those of you that don't know, I am a licensed cosmetologist, and I've been licensed for 5 years. But since I started cosmetology, I always thought I would be doing color and, you know, women's hair. I just loved everything about color till I started doing men's haircuts. I started doing men's haircuts and I was like, wow, this is for me. This is what I meant to be doing. So I started doing only men's haircuts, little boys haircuts, and also where I was, I mentioned in one of my videos, but I used to be a manager at Sport Clips, and it's just basically a salon just for men and little boys. So then I worked there for 3 years, and I recently quit because I wanted to try something different. I wanted to be able to do color, do perms, do more things. I just saw a better option for me. This salon is a barber shop, and you can do pretty much anything. You can do women's hair, you can do perms, you can do color, wax, everything you can think of, facials, just everything. And I was like, well, I am licensed, you know, thinking in my head, I am licensed cosmetologist, I should be doing everything. And Sport Clips was a great job for me, and it opened a lot of doors for me. Of course, I'm really grateful to them, but also I feel like it stopped me from learning more stuff that I should know by now. So I feel like in these 5 years I should have known more. Anyway, so I started a new job. Everything was going great. I do make more money in this barbershop place, but then I feel like I could be making more if I would go to school and get my barber's license. So that's exactly where I've been. For those of you that don't know, if you are a licensed cosmetologist and you want to start barber class, it's just a barber crossover. I was going to college for doing my barber crossover so I can have both of the licenses. I thought it would be a great idea, especially working in a barber shop. It will open me so many more doors, right? So then I got the great idea and I started college. And the great thing about it, since you already have your cosmetology hours, you only need 200 hours and you have both licenses, right? That sounds great. It's only 6 weeks of class. I was so excited. I mean, I'm still super excited and blessed that I'm able to do this class. The only thing, of course, you guys already know, the governor of New Mexico shut down colleges, salons, things are not essential, of course. So now I won't be able to finish till maybe next month or even next year, who knows. I'm not talking bad about her or anything, I'm just really upset because I was gonna be done on the 20th of this month, so it would have been this Friday. So I'm kind of upset. Maybe that's why I've been feeling a little down. I just thought I would be done, but of course now I can't finish college. Now I'm just gonna clean my eyebrows with my this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I love this thing, and blending it with my beauty sponge. That's where I've been. I've just been in college, working weekends, and I just found myself with no time on my hands. Makes me really sad that I haven't been able to post as often. It's just my dream has always been to do YouTube videos, and since I was really young, and of course my channel is not growing as I would like to, but also it has affected that I have stopped completely posting. It's been probably almost 2 months, but hopefully I can come back once. Now that I'm home, hopefully I can recreate a lot of videos that I have, because I have so many ideas for you guys. I'm just gonna be using my Wet n Wild foundations and put it all over. I don't want you to guys think I'm being negative on this video. I'm really blessed to be home for 2 weeks with my family, and I'm trying to enjoy every moment as I can. And also I would love to record more videos for you guys. Super excited. I just can't wait to be done with college and to be able to make more money as a cosmetologist and barber as well. Especially me, that I love doing men's haircuts. I just got used to them, and it's where I'm good at. I am trying to learn more about color and stuff like that. Hopefully when I get good, I can even do a different YouTube account and share my tips and tricks with color and haircuts. I can probably do haircuts videos already, so I'm super confident at those, but I want to get better in everything so I can start my YouTube channel one day. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. It's hard to be positive right now because of everything going on this world, but I think that even if you're stressed or you're sad, that's not gonna fix the problem, so might as well be happy and grateful for what we have, you know. Even if I'm not working right now or my husband, I'm still staying super positive because God always provides one way or another. Okay, now it's time to set the face, and I've been loving this pressed powder. Like you can notice, it's almost empty, but this is by Fit Me and it's by Maybelline. I just love this powder, and I'm just gonna take it and set my whole face. If you don't like pressed powder and you want loose powder, I do recommend the Fit Me, of course. This is just a loose finishing powder, and I love this thing. This is gonna make your face look super nice. I do recommend this a lot. If I'm just having choose a basic day, I just go with this all over my face, you know, mommy fast makeup routine. I use this, and if I want to go all out, I do use this powder. Like this holidays, you need to test this powder. If you haven't, you're gonna love it, I promise. And the perfect shade for me right now is just the number 20. Yeah, number 20, and it's the light medium. And I love this powder. I'm using this every single day, especially for college. This is what I wear, and I've been loving this bronzer right here. Oh my god, I've been using this every single day, and this is by Milani. This is in the shade 03, and it's suntan. Notice it's a pretty good size, so this product is gonna last a long time. I've been using it every day, and like you can notice, I still have a lot of product left. And I'm just taking my angle brush. This is by elf. I love this brush. Anyways, let me know in the comments section down below how you guys been. Are you guys struggling also with everything going around the world? How you guys staying positive? And also let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. I've been thinking of doing like morning routines, night routine, skincare routine. My skin doesn't look the greatest, but I feel like it does look better than it used to a few years ago. But I can't wait to share with you guys, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for that video coming up really soon. I'm just so excited. Can't wait to record all these days that I'm gonna be home. Hopefully I can't. Like I said, I do have little ones, so sometimes it's hard to record, but I'm gonna stay positive and try my best because I would love for my channel to grow. Next up is blush. I did find this at Dollar Tree, and I just thought it looked beautiful. It is by brand Flower. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It does say flower right there. It's a beautiful pink shade. Gonna be taking my favorite brush for blush, and hopefully it's a nice color. So far it's really pigmented. You can notice on my skin for sure. With my powder brush and whatever is left there, I just like to clean my bronzer and blush. This new palette, I did find this at Walmart. No, I found this at CVS for $4.99. My mom actually got it for me. She bought it for me. This is by LA Colors and it's the Looks Eye Palette, and you can notice the price right here for $4.99, and it does come with beautiful shades. They did have another palette, but I only got this one. This one caught my eyes right away, so I think it's a perfect shades for holidays, for summer, or for winter time. So let's start with the fluffy brush. This is the number 7 by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start with shade right here. I'm gonna be putting this all over the lid. That's just beautiful. It is really pigmented, like you guys can notice, and it's more exciting because for $5 you get beautiful pigmented eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna be taking this brown shade right here just to darken up the corner of that lid. This shade and this shade yellow Thanksgiving holidays makeup looks, so I think I'm just gonna mix them together. Be aware that this eyeshadow palette does have a lot of fallout, so you probably need to do your eyeshadow first and then your face makeup. Now I'm gonna be taking this beautiful shade right here, and I'm gonna be adding it on the lid as well, just to make the color pop even more. I'm gonna take this Mother Fluffy brush and I'm gonna take this black shade right here and just darken up my corner, just to give it like a smoky look. And again, it's pretty pigmented. I'm barely touching my eyelid. I'm gonna apply my eyelashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. And by the way, these lashes are from Dollar Tree. Look how stunning they are. And I love that they also are cruelty free. Let's just finish the look. I just added this on my hair really quick. I did get this at Dollar Tree, and I just added this little earrings just to match my hair accessory, and I did find them at Route 21. It came with all of this beautiful earrings. These were only $7.99, by the way. Of course, right now they're all closed for 2 weeks, so I'm sorry about that, but hopefully they open before Christmas and all that, so you guys can get your beautiful earrings. Anyways, let's finish the eyeshadow. The bottom part, just want to add a little bit more of color, so I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade right here. I feel like the eyeshadow looks a little bit maroon, so I want to add a little bit on the bottom as well. Now I'm taking this beautiful gold shade right here, and I'm gonna add it on my tear dot. Just gonna add a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes. For lips, my lips, I'm just gonna be using this lip combo, and this is just by New York lipstick, and this one is by Wet n Wild. I love using this combination, especially if it looks like this. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope that you guys have a blessed holidays. Hopefully more videos and tutorials are coming up for the holidays. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my future videos. I love you so much. Have a blessed day.